There is not one way to define a roadmap, but there is a process that we recommend following as it has been very useful for our team. Before you set up your roadmap to be implemented, you spend hundreds of hours discussing the roadmap, evaluating priorities, and aligning everyone on those priorities. These discussions can take many forms, such as a timeline, an evaluation matrix, or even a roadmap on a whiteboard. Taking the last one as an example, you will invite your team to add all the features and activities to the best of their abilities. It focuses on making team members think about the 2 or 3 values the company wants to base decisions on. For example, many companies focus on features or activities that increase revenue or add value to the user. Based on where the feature or activity is located on the roadmap, you know what it should directly impact in the business, whether it is revenue, brand recognition, or customer value. Then you have colors. Colors define a much deeper way to evaluate these activities and features, as the team will have to decide if an activity or feature is a basic feature, a nice-to-have, or something that will help you differentiate from your competitors. Analyze each activity based on these options and choose a color for the sticky note. Once you meet with the team to discuss it, you may change colors if people disagree and move things up and down. For example, you will move things that can positively affect revenue in the short term to the top, and the things that may take longer or will have a smaller effect below. Once everything is color-coded and placed based on certain values and criteria, it will be easier to remove or delay things, making it easier to have a prioritized roadmap. What is important here is that everyone understands how and why decisions are made. You can add your notes in the conclusion section or even on the chat if those are just things you want stakeholders to know. Final decisions and key highlights of the roadmap will be captured in the conclusion section. Additionally, if you want to capture who was part of the process and if they have agreed on the decisions, you can have a step to capture that. Ask them to agree by marking the step as complete. You can even make this road mapping session recurring once the roadmap is defined, so you can meet next quarter to discuss changes and delays. This is just one step of the road mapping process. Making the right decisions may not be simple, and you may have multiple stakeholders involved. In that case, you may want to create a workflow as you go so you can capture ideas, discuss options with stakeholders, and even get the roadmap approved in the same place. Always keep key decisions, stakeholders, and knowledge in one place. Learn more at Nova and let us know how you discuss your roadmap with your team.